Y'all, I got no clue what the title of this video. I'm talking about, I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make a fall spinach and pumpkin salad. Let's get started. First of all, anybody who's new to my channel, welcome. I stay in a travel trailer behind my mom's house, so here we are with no electricity right now. Hopefully my cousin's coming over to fix it. This video is going to be very, very short. Y'all wanted some more salad, and somebody asked me for another recipe to use bulgur wheat, so we're going to do all of that, okay? We're going to soak 1 cup of bulgur wheat in 2 cups of hot water for about 20 minutes. It's very, very fast, y'all. I'm going to cut up some parsley to put in here. Now, here's why I went wrong, y'all. I bought a pie pumpkin because I was like, I'm not going to be using a lot of pumpkin. So I roasted it for about 45 minutes on 350, and it was mush. It did what a pie pumpkin should do. It should turn into mush. So don't do that. You can also substitute this pumpkin for butternut squash. It's already cubed up. Whatever you want to do, just need a little bit of sweetness in your salad, okay? But I did my pumpkin is mush, and I did have to recook it. I cooked it yesterday, stuck it in the fridge, and I'm just gonna reheat it up today because I do want the salad to be warm, okay? All right, y'all, let's make the dressing for this salad. We're going to take about 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil. You can use whatever oil you have. We're going to take about 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Now let's do about 1 teaspoon of oregano, about 4 cloves of garlic, y'all, because that garlic was big. Okay, let's be clear. I'm going to take up some Crazy Jane's mixed up salt, sprinkle some of that into there, you know, season the taste, season the taste. Now I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Baby, I was not about to squeeze no lemon, so I bought the expensive stuff. That's all right. Now I'm taking a little pepper, and I'm just going to blend that up on together. And boom, we have our dressing. Now to our bulgur wheat, I am going to add some of Chef Joya's Just Magic season. You can use your favorite all-purpose. You can also use that Crazy Jane. I just grabbed what I had, okay? Also add some smoked paprika. This is unnecessary. I didn't need the taste, but it did add a little layer of flavor, but you can skip the smoked paprika. I just was like, Now let's make our salad. I'm taking a handful of spinach, our mushed up pumpkin, and some pumpkin seeds. I should have added more because some pumpkin seeds was delicious. We're going to add about 1 cup of our bulgur wheat, about 1/4 cup of this Follow Your Heart vegan feta, and we're going to add about 1/4 cup of parsley. Add all that dressing into the salad, and then you are going to mix and plate, and you are done, honey. How simple was that? Okay, guys, so here we go. Look, yes. It ain't the prettiest. I think it would be prettier if the pumpkin wasn't pumpkin mush. Thankfully, we do have other textures in here, like spinach, it's sperm, and so it's a pumpkin seed. So the mush doesn't bother me. Otherwise, I'd be like, bleh. But it's all right. It goes together. Here we go. As you can guess, this is the furthest dish from soul food you will get. This gives me holiday dinner, potluck, or buffet with the co-workers. This is not something you want to like bring to a party. It's too healthy and earthy, but oh my god, I love it. I love it. I'm sorry, I just, the flavors, the sweetness of the pumpkin, the feta, the crunch of the spinach, the saltiness of the pumpkin seeds. They're not even salty, but the roasted the pumpkin seeds, like I said, it's just very earthy. It tastes healthy, but it's a good taste healthy. Like, this is really, really good. Like, I really like it. I just want you guys to know, obviously, it ain't gonna be like, oh yeah, grandma, if your grandma is over 60, she probably ain't gonna like this unless she's already on a health journey. That's what I'm just trying to get you to know. But camera, stop looking at me. Get into it. It's so good. I'm not even a fan of parsley, but in this, it goes. It goes. Feta. I'm actually already full because I was eating this off camera as well, but it was just so good. Y'all let me know if y'all make this. I do not think my mom will like this. She's not a fan of salads in general, so I'm not even gonna waste my time. Y'all make this and come back and report back to me, okay? Also, the substitute for the bulgur wheat rice, brown rice, I wouldn't recommend white. think it would throw it off. Brown rice, quinoa, couscous. But alright, y'all. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Y'all pray we have lights the next time. Lights. God give us lights. Hey y'all, real quick, it's later on the same day, so I just want to show you guys the leftovers. So as you can see, it looks like it's cooked now because I put it in the fridge with it still warm. So it is like room temperature right now. I left it out of the fridge like an hour and a half, so it's not bad. I don't think I would like this cold, but room temperature is still really good. Like with a little cold hint to it, but again, I do kind of like it better. It's not a salad anymore because the spinach is no longer crunchy, and the pumpkin seeds have kind of soaked in with the dressing, but it's really good. Whole new texture. I was out of pumpkin, so I added extra lemon juice, so it's, I mean, the flavor, y'all see me eating. Oh my goodness, listen. All right, y'all, bye for real.